How to open a Truist Bank account online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to open a Truist Bank account online step by step. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once you're inside the web browser, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Truist Bank. And now here, once you search for it on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Truist Bank. Now here, once you see the interface like this, you can just click on open account button which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you click on it, a drop down menu will appear. From that menu, you can simply click on checking accounts, saving accounts and much more. You can pick the account type that best fits your need. So here I'm gonna simply open the banking account. So here once you have selected that, so there on the next page you'll see list of Truist account option. So there you can read through the features like monthly fees, ATM access and perks and then simply select open account button, and after that you will be taken to an online application form, and there you need to fill in your full legal name, date of birth, social security number, a valid email address and phone number, your current home address, and here once you do that, Trista will also ask you to verify your identity. So you may need to upload a photo of your driver's license, passport or state ID. So just follow the instruction on screen and after that you will choose how to fund your new account. So there you can transfer money from another bank account and use a debit or credit card in some cases and set it up with no deposit until later. But before you submit, you need to double check all your information for accuracy, and after that you can simply click submit to send your application to Trista for approval. And if everything checks out, you'll get a confirmation email with your new account details, and after that you will be officially a Trista Bank customer. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.